What an absolutely stunning day. Gorgeous. It's almost the end of April. So 2 months into our autumn season, and it's still warm and sunny and gorgeous. Look at that. Few clouds around, but a lot of sun, and it's warm. I've got my summer gloves, I've still got my summer jacket on, and I'm hot in it. Not that I'm complaining, but just letting you know it's beautiful weather here in Melbourne at the moment, and we are loving this autumn weather. It's been a while since I made one of these speaking motor vlogs, so I thought, why not? So here I am. I hope everyone's doing fine and keeping well. I've been out on a joyride this afternoon. What's the time? It's almost 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and I'm just on the fringes of Melbourne CBD, but downtown. So yeah, almost 3 o'clock in the afternoon. The days have gotten shorter. Daylight saving has ended. So that means that it gets dark about 5:30ish. So I've got a couple more hours of sunshine to get home. But for now, let's go through some of Melbourne streets, especially on these fringes. Okay, straight up is Botanical Gardens, and what I can do is I can actually cut through the Botanical Gardens and just bypass the whole city. Okay, let's get going. Look at that, how gorgeous. Just a cracking day. I can actually go right here and bypass the city, go through these very iconic botanical gardens. Here we go. Then go left here. So these are the Royal Botanical Gardens, and the city is just up ahead. Feels like summer. It's so hot. There we go, we'll just veer a right here and just bypass the city. Autumn here in Melbourne is beautiful, as you can see. Especially in weather like this. It is absolutely pristine. As I wait for another traffic light to go green on me. Okay, let's make a move, shall we? Just gonna keep taking some detours just to go through some of the outer Melbourne suburbs. And with this weather, it'll be busy everywhere, so I'll just hopefully showcase some of the nice spots here in Melbourne. Across the River Yarra, the city's on my left now. Up ahead on my left is the tennis centre, so this is Rod Laver, and that's John Cain Arena. That's where Australian Open happens. That at the back is the MCG. This here is the Amy Stadium, soccer stadium, and the Olympic Park. Essentially, this is the sporting precinct of Melbourne. I'm hoping the weather has turned nice in the northern hemisphere. A lot of people who watch my channel are from the US and the UK. So I'm hoping the spring has sprung and that you are all enjoying your bike rides over there. We've still got a month to go in autumn, but I'm pretty sure it'll start getting a bit more chilly and nippy here. So my rides may become a bit infrequent, but that's okay. Try my best to sneak out every time the sun's out. Peak hour again. Okay, off we go again. This time into the suburb of Richmond. It's a very happening inner city suburb. Lots of bars, restaurants, nightclubs, all sorts of things. This is Swan Street. Always busy here in Richmond. Another red light. Okay, let's go again. It's a 40-kilometer zone, so can't really speed here, even if you want to. With the tram lines in between, you've got to be really careful. Sorry about the start-stop, but that's inner city for you. Around peak hour especially. 3 o'clock. It's a working day today, Thursday. I had a day off. Not moving. Not moving at all. Oh, slowly. Here we go. It's a very iconic store here, the Dimmy store. It's a supermarket now, but that watch there, the clock tower. One of those famous old iconic Melbourne milestones. Let's do some lane filtering again, shall we? Here we go. I've got to turn right here somewhere. Not these lights, but probably the ones after these. So let's carefully stick to the left here. And then make a right turn. Alright, here we go. I've got to make a right turn now, so bit of maneuvering, bit of positioning. Still in Richmond. Now turning right towards South Yarra and the famous Chapel Street. took forever to cross. Okay, onwards. So just getting out of Richmond and towards South Yarra, and this street is called Church Street. It turns into Chapel Street, which is a very famous street here in Melbourne for shopping, for food, for nightlife, for everything good and bad. If I stick to the left here, I can squeeze through these bike lanes. Here we go. Let's just stick to the bike lane, shall we? Yay! It's hot like it's hot in spring. Only that it's autumn. Bit of breeze around today as well. Nothing too ominous, but just a bit breezy, windy. So we cross over this bridge and up ahead is Chapel Street. There's the city. Ah, look at the traffic ahead. That's okay. Try and squeeze through where we can, like this. Ever heard of the expression snail's pace? Well, that's what it is for now. Slow and steady. Stuck behind trams and cars and peak hour traffic. Whoa. It's not good viewing actually, start and stop, but for a joyride, I don't mind it actually, it's pretty good. Just easy paced. I picked up a new word, Bimble, through some of the videos that I watch on YouTube, especially of motorcycle riders up in the UK, so obviously that's where the word comes from, Bimble. I'm assuming it means like a little joyride. Tell me if I've got it right. Bimble. So I'm out on a little happy Bimble. through the inner suburbs of Melbourne, Bimbling. Okay, I reckon you must have run out of patience by now with all of these traffic stops. So why don't we call it quits here for this video? I hope you got a little glimpse into how Melbourne goes about its business on warm, sunny autumn afternoons. Keep passing on your feedback for the videos. I truly appreciate it. Let me know what works and what doesn't. No guarantees I'll improve it, but I'll absolutely think about it. Other than that, as soon as this light turns green, I shall say goodbye to you, and I shall meet you again in another video. Take care. Be safe. Enjoy your motorcycle rides. Be good, kids.